Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Will and I'm back with another EasyBot update. They have a major update inside the back office, a brand new user interface. Well, the full members area, it works exactly the same like before. It has the same tabs in the same order. But if we go to the bots section, and as you can see right here, it has a very nice and fresh new look. It's not far from the original template, but it makes it look more modern. We still have right here on top the pair. You can see the cycle, strategy, the initial deposit, the total profit in each one of those bots, current capital, the running time is there, the last trade, if he's buying or selling. If you want to deactivate the bot, you have that button right here. You can see the current status. So very nice indeed, just to bring something different to the members area. In terms of the strategies, well, they are performing well and they keep delivering. I have the opportunity to try different bots, just like EasyBot, where you have full control of your capital, the type of bots that give you that type of security, total transparency, because you're gonna hold your capital inside your Binance account. And they also have some other exchange platforms that we can use. But if I compared EasyBot to those other bots, I have to be honest, I am so impressed. Even in the toughest market condition, just like the one we are having right now, this bot keeps performing. Bitcoin, altcoins, meme coins, the whole market has been in a downtrend for the last almost 2 months. Still, EasyBot managed to deliver some results. Yesterday, I got $34. In the last 30 days, it produced $282. My total profit right here is sitting in $2,299. With other bots, I have 0 results in the last 30 days. EasyBot is taking the lead right now compared to all of those bots. The returns, as usual, are very conservative, especially during this season. Better to produce something than absolutely nothing. I don't like to keep my money sitting down without doing anything. This bot at least is producing some results for us. I really appreciate that. And on top of that, they are working in the UI. We have this new look. You can see the type of results that I have with these pairs. So that's Solana, 320, AVAX, 252, Link, 198, Cardano, 140, DOT, 187, TRX, one of the lowest in the list, 35. And I have all type of results. Chiva, 217. I got this plan where I can have quite a few bots. Actually, I upgraded to the VIP package. This was my first package of 250 per year, giving me access to only 10 bots. But now I'm inside this package. I'm paying 750 per year, giving me access to 25 bots. Also, the software fees are a little bit lower. Some of my team members are starting with this package. If you have a capital over 10,000, definitely this one, it will be a better option. Now they have a special promotion with this one, the VIP Unlimited. From 1,495, you will pay only 1,095 per year. And this price is going to be locked for you for the future renewals. This promotion is going to end tomorrow, the 15th of May. This is more for those big whales, guys with huge capital. Right here, you're going to have the chance to run 150 bots. That's a huge arsenal of bots for you. And of course, you're going to need some capital to run all of that. But if you have some crypto savings that you want to keep it secure and still you want that crypto to keep producing daily rewards, this bot might be a great option for you. Returns are very conservative, but they also have the compound function, which is going to really make a difference for you in a long term. That's the other thing. This is for people that is thinking about long-term opportunities. This is not just throw 100 and turn it into 1,000 in 2 weeks. That's not the case here. This is real trading, a real company behind with real faces, track records of over 2 years. They have long trades and those ones are always going to close on profits. For some of you, it might look a little bit pricey, but in the end, it's super effective. And the bot itself is going to cover that cost. And the best of all is that we have full control of our capital. That's the best feature they offer. If at any point you would like to take the money, you can have access to that one whenever you want. Also, if you have any questions along the way, you can find me on my open Telegram group. I'll be happy to help you. And as usual, I'm going to come back here to show you my progress and my earnings inside EasyBot. Let me know what you think about this one. For the next 1 year, a tool like this one is going to be very beneficial to grow your portfolio. Are you planning to use any of these tools to maximize your returns? Or maybe you are the type of person that is only holding, not planning to use any tool for this coming bull market. By the way, they have an easy guide to get started. They also have open Zoom calls. They have a Telegram group. And right here in the bottom, you can find all the links to their social media profiles. Well, this is just a quick update about the new UI inside EasyBot, a super solid automation that keeps producing every single day. Before we go, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I will really appreciate your support. If you want to get in touch with me, now you know where to find me. Thank you so much for your company. Have a wonderful week. My name is Will, the crypto leader from Leaders Road, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.